Hi everyone, I'm just showing my new Keurig K-Cup carafe. It is wonderful. Has a frothing component on the side of the machine to make cappuccinos and lattes, and also coffee as well. It does 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, and obviously a shot for the latte and cappuccino. Also, what I love about the lattes and cappuccinos, because espresso and dark roast are very strong coffees, so you can actually use as you can see over here, I have a whole bunch of coffees. But I use the dark roast as a shot as well. Works great and still tastes very strong like the espresso. And also, if you're seeing in the background that I have Starbucks syrups, you can buy them directly in the Starbucks store as long as they have the flavors for you to buy if they're stocked. But as you can see, I have a few flavors, and the caramel sauce as well. It's great. But I'm going to show you now how this works. So you fill the milk up to the line. There's one for cappuccino and latte inside. And also, don't make the mistake of not using the black whisk that comes with it, that goes on the middle of the little post inside this little jar. It won't work otherwise. So then you hit the button that you want. There's cold, latte, and cappuccino. I want cappuccino. And also, you put your flavoring in the cup, which I'm going to put my thing down to put my flavor in for a minute. Now, I put my flavoring in, which I did vanilla. You open your K-cup, and I'm going to do my Poseidon. Very good by Caribou. Now, I'm going to hit cappuccino latte, shot, and brew. We'll wait a second. Should start brewing any minute. And I did a shot, so it will take out an exact shot. Now, we'll wait for the cappuccino machine, or the frothing area will beep. Okay, now it's done. And always use that cap, it won't froth otherwise. Pour your cappuccino in. And I found that some milks work better than others. Whole milk works the best for frothing. And then I put my sauce on top. Voila. Cappuccino.
Alright, so this is a video talking about the Cylon god known as Keurig. We're going to power it on. And it's going to heat up the water real quick. See? You can hear it. And once this is heated up, it takes like approximately 60 seconds to make the perfect cup of coffee. It heats up in about, well, anywhere from 1 minute to 2 minutes. Actually, I lied. That was like 40 seconds. It's not bad. Alright, so coffee cup goes there. Used pod that my husband didn't take out. Dumb. Goes in the garbage. So this is one of the coffee pods that we're using right now. You can use real coffee or a coffee pod in this one. That one's coffee pod. Then you hit, see, gives you selection. You hit coffee. I'm going to choose 12 ounce. Then you do here, and then it gets it started. And boom. Your perfect cup of coffee is now pouring itself. See that? Beautiful, beautiful machine. You know, if all Cylons are like Keurig, it really can't be that bad. See, look at this. And watch, it's gonna, this can also make cappuccinos and lattes. It can make it heated or cold. I'm doing a heated coffee right now. Just going old fashioned. Watch, it foams it up a little. And I present to you the perfect cup of coffee. Right there. Flavor as needed, and enjoy. Let's see if we can water it now. Alright, signing off.